where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Hi guys, welcome again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a fried rice recipe. I have a few up already, but this particular one is different from all the others that I ever did. I posted a picture in one of my groups on Facebook and everybody was like in love with this fried rice recipe. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Fast, easy, quick and simple. And yeah, it tastes good, of course. Let's talk about our ingredients and all the things you're gonna need to impress your friends then. Of course, you're gonna need your rice, white rice, and make sure your rice cook in advance, right? Then you're going to need bacon. What I did, cut it up, and I'm ready to go. You can skip that process if you want. You could add chicken if you like, add any kind of meat what you want, but that is bacon. Carrots and green beans, that is the one that I use. Now put the corn in this. Carrot and green beans, that's it right there. You're going to need fresh garlic. That is your bacon bits. So with your bacon bits and your fresh bacon right there, Lord, the thing is to die for, but don't die. Onion, scallion, butter to get it going, and 2 eggs, large preferred. Now to make it nice and spicy, I'm going to be using my Keith Lawrence spice right there, and that is my seasoning salt right there. So black pepper, onion powder, paprika, soy sauce, and teriyaki sauce. Those are all the ingredients that you are going to need to make this recipe fast, easy, and simple. So come on and let's get started now. Well, we'll move on to the next step, right? I have my wok right there, so. And all I'm doing is putting some oil in here. Then I'm going to add my butter to that. And my garlic. Now I'm going to add my bacon. And just fry that up, nice golden brown. So now we'll go ahead and kind of move that out the way and put the eggs to the side right there. And mix the egg right in that corner. When the egg come together, just like that, now you toss the bacon in with the eggs. Add your beans in and carrot together and the onion. Toss that around. That is looking yummy. Now you want to go ahead and season this thing up. Seasoned salt go in, black pepper, onion powder, and paprika, and toss that around again. Now you want to add your rice in. Add your teriyaki sauce and some soy sauce. Now you want to go ahead and add your bacon bits and some fresh scallions. Fried rice does not get any better than that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And that, my friend, is all done. It's ready to go on a plate. Thumbs up, share, share, share. Let me know what you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.